You can make money in 2026 with your voice through a one-time effort and earn for years to come every single day without doing marketing, without any advanced knowledge. All you need is a decent microphone and a script to read. No dropshipping, no print on demand, no faceless YouTube channel. The best part, you start earning money immediately once your voice is in the ElevenLabs library and people use it. This is hands down one of the most exciting passive income strategies I've discovered, and I'm about to show you exactly how it works. Welcome to the golden age of AI voice technology. While everyone's scrambling to find the next side hustle, working 60-hour weeks on their passive income businesses that require constant content creation, there's a completely different game being played. A game where you record your voice once, upload it to a platform, and get paid every single time someone uses it. Forever. I'm talking about real passive income, the kind where you wake up to payments in your account without lifting a finger. And the platform making this possible, ElevenLabs. Now, before you click away thinking this sounds too good to be true, let me break down exactly what this is, how much people are actually making, and the step-by-step process to get started. So what exactly is ElevenLabs? It's currently the world's leading AI voice generation platform. Companies, content creators, audiobook publishers, app developers, they're all using it to create realistic voiceovers without hiring expensive voice actors every single time. But here's where it gets interesting for you and me. ElevenLabs has a voice library, a marketplace where they need real human voices to train their AI models, and they're willing to pay you, the voice owner, every single time someone uses your voice. Think about it. Right now there are thousands of YouTubers creating faceless channels, thousands of companies making explainer videos, audiobook creators, app developers, course creators, podcast producers. They all need voices. And instead of recording everything themselves or paying hundreds of dollars per project to voice actors, they're going to ElevenLabs, browsing the voice library and selecting a voice they like. If that voice is yours, you get paid every single time. This is not some small niche platform. ElevenLabs is processing millions of characters every single day. The demand is absolutely massive, and it's only growing. Now let's talk numbers, because that's what you really want to know. People are reporting anywhere from $100 to $500 per month in completely passive income. Some voices are earning even more. And this is just the beginning. We're still in the early stages of this technology going mainstream. But here's what makes this different from every other passive income opportunity out there. With YouTube, you need to constantly pump out content. With a dropshipping store, you're dealing with customer service, suppliers' ads. With Kindle publishing, you're competing with millions of books and need to understand marketing. With this, you record your voice once. You read a script for maybe 30 minutes to an hour. You upload it and then you're done. The work is finished. From that point forward, you're earning money while you sleep, while you're at your day job, while you're on vacation. Your voice is working for you 24/7, 365 days a year. And the best part, you're getting in during the gold rush phase. Right now, the voice library is still relatively small. The competition is low, but the demand, it's exploding. 5 years from now, everyone will know about this. The library will be saturated. But right now, you have a genuine first mover advantage. So how does this actually work? Let me break down the exact process. Step 1, you need a decent microphone. Not a $2,000 professional setup. A simple microphone in the $50 to $300 range works perfectly fine. But in the best case, you're using an audio interface for high quality audio. You want clear audio without background noise. Step 2, you record yourself reading a script. ElevenLabs provides sample scripts, or you can read anything you want. The key is to show the range and emotion of your voice. Read with energy, with different tones. Show what your voice can do. You're going to need to record enough content for ElevenLabs to train their AI model on your voice. Usually this means about 30 minutes to an hour of clear audio. Step 3, you upload your voice samples to the ElevenLabs Voice Library. You'll fill out some basic information, set your pricing, and submit it for review. Step 4, once approved, your voice goes live in the marketplace. People can preview it, test it out, and if they like it, they'll use it for their projects. Step 5, you get paid based on usage. The more people use your voice, the more you earn. ElevenLabs handles all the billing, all the technical stuff. You just watch the passive income roll in. That's it. That's the entire system. The initial time investment, maybe a few hours total to set everything up properly. The ongoing work required, absolutely zero. Now let me give you some strategic tips to maximize your earnings. First, quality matters. Invest in a decent microphone and record in a quiet environment. The better your audio quality, the more people will choose your voice. Second, show personality. Don't just read in a monotone voice. Show emotion, energy, versatility. Give them a reason to choose your voice over the hundreds of others. Third, think about your niche. Do you have an accent, a unique tone, a particularly soothing voice, a powerful, authoritative sound? Whatever makes you unique, lean into it. The most successful voices in the library are the ones that stand out. Fourth, record multiple samples. Show different styles. Professional, casual, energetic, calm. The more versatility you demonstrate, the wider your potential audience. Fifth, and this is crucial, do this now. The voice library is growing every single day. The earlier you get in, the more established your voice becomes in the platform, and the more you'll earn over time. Some people are treating this like it's just another side hustle they'll get to eventually. Don't be that person. This is a legitimate land grab situation. Early movers will dominate. Look, I've researched dozens of passive income strategies. Most of them are either too competitive, require ongoing work, or have such a high barrier to entry that most people never even start. This is different. This is a genuine opportunity where a few hours of work can generate income for years, where you don't need special skills. You don't need to be a marketing expert. You don't need thousands of dollars to invest. You just need your voice. The same voice you use every single day anyway. The AI revolution isn't coming. It's already here. And while most people are worried about AI taking their jobs, smart people are figuring out how to profit from it. Your voice has value, real monetary value, and there's a platform ready to pay you for it, month after month, year after year. The question is, are you going to take action, or are you going to watch this opportunity pass you by? If you found this valuable, drop a like and subscribe. And if you decide to upload your voice to ElevenLabs, come back and let me know in the comments how much you're making. Let's make 2026 the year your voice starts working for you.